Hey, it's Eric from SpaceKap, and this is the Wild. Our mid-size model and the most versatile of all. With its 53-inch height, it's designed for easy access from the outside, no need to step inside. Side doors, rear doors, and a sliding tray give you 320 degrees of access to your tools. It's the perfect balance of comfort, space, and mobility. Used by utility crews, city workers, and field technicians, it's built to keep everything organized and within reach. The Wild is fully transferable, waterproof, and fits any full-size pickup without losing your 4x4. It works as hard as you do, every day, year after year. Turn your truck into the ultimate mobile workstation.